How to fix Shopify pending payment guide step by step 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Shopify pending problem. So first of all, you have to check payment method settings. So for that, as you can see, you can automatically add checkout and ensure your payment gateway is correctly set up in Shopify. And for that, go to the settings section, click on payments and verify that your gateway credentials are correct and properly connected. Any incorrect setup might block payments from processing. And after that, we can verify bank account or credit card details. So double check that your bank account or credit card information linked to Shopify is accurate and up to date. If there are issues such as expired cards or incorrect details, the payment will not be processed successfully. And after that, you can contact your payment provider. Sometimes the issue might be on the payment provider's end. Reach out to your payment gateways provider like PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify Payments to see if they are experiencing delays or need additional verification to clear the payments. And after that, you have to review fraud filters and verification. Shopify and some payment gateway use fraud filters to protect your store. If a payment is flagged as a suspicious, it may be held for verification. Ensure that your fraud detection settings are not overly strict and provide any request documentation or verification to clear the payments. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.